Hello, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at Uranus in St. Robert. I was here once before, but this time I think I'll walk inside, check out the Oddity Museum, maybe buy some fudge at Uranus. Should be entertaining. Let's go. Whoa. They have a whole aisle of taffy. Because everybody wonders, what kind of fudge did you buy? Okay. We got the chocolate and the pecan and Rocky Road. And because I like to collect coffee cups, I bought this one. The Uranus General Store. Everything you need in Uranus. Alright, check this place out. Alright, so what kind of dinosaur is that? Leave a comment below. And we have another one over here. And a space thing behind it. Oh, there's a fire engine back there. Let's go check it out. For all your fire emergencies, we have the Uranus Fire Engine Department. And we have the chief driving. To keep costs down, we have Teddy Bear driving. They work for Honey. It's a pretty nice looking fire truck. It's a little weather worn, but hey. I don't know if it's me, but man, humidity today is brutal. It's only 86, but jeez. Eat. Very direct and to the point. Well, this seems safe. Caution, student driver. Can't see inside there. Oh, there you can. Oh, look, Route 66 on top. That's pretty cool. Got some old wheels. Cool gate. Where they put on some shows. Looks like they have another old truck. And a picture taking spot. Speaking of taking pictures, a giant belt buckle. I like to show the part of Uranus you don't normally see. I've seen something back here that looked interesting. Yep. A dinosaur and a rooster. That's a fine looking automobile. What year do you think it is? I know it's a Chevy, and I know it's got... Oh, I thought it had current license plates, but it doesn't. It expired in 17. It's got an old-fashioned lock. That seems wrong. The inside looks like it's not too horrible a condition. Alright, the Uranus sign. It's just off Highway 44. There's lots of signs. Shouldn't miss it. Got a fuel truck. Phillips 66. That's a Dodge. A little rough around the edges, but not too bad. Looks like we have a rocket of some sort. Wait a minute, there's air conditioners on top. Is that an RV? Huh. and the Uranus Water Tower. This is a Route 66 attraction also. I don't think it's directly off the road, but close. We have the Uranus Jail and the circus, and is that a mariachi band? The Frog Princess, and a funny sign. Let's go inside the Sideshow Museum. Or I guess they call it a Circus Sideshow. Let's check it out. Sort of small one.
Hi guys, welcome to Sideshow. Hello.
I was wondering if I need to wear my mask. I don't think so. I think they call this a Fiji mermaid? I'm probably wrong. That's weird. Monkey Speedway. And Himalaya Bigfoot. I guess that's another Bigfoot. And this creepy guy. That's a creepy bride and groom, I think. Looks like they like their women hairy. We have a two-headed goat. And a two-bodied something? Elaine and Mary, the two-headed girl. And that's them. That's Elephant Man. That Zip the Pinhead. Oh, this is the famed unicorn. Two-headed chicken. Two-headed squirrel. Oh, the Swamp Man. The world's smallest horse. And a two-headed cow. A five-legged dog. A mermaid, life size. A two-headed snake. A lot of creepy stuff in here. And a picture of Robert Wadlow, the tallest man, and his shoe. Can't get them all in the frame. The two-headed baby. They have a lot of two-headed things here. Creepy. Some sort of torture contraption. We got the Jacob slider. Not on. Two-headed turtle. The blade box. Bummer, no sword swallowing today. The electric chair. I bet they get a charge out of this. Well, that was interesting. Thanks for joining me on today's adventure. I will see you someplace or another. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.